Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to this video on network address translation, that is also known as NAT. Today I'll discuss about this concept of network address translation and explain how it's work. So let's get started. Firstly, need to know what is network address translation. Basically, NAT is a process where a network device, typically a router, translates private IP addresses into public IP addresses and vice versa. It's have a purpose. It facilitates communication between device in a private network and the internet, and extends the lifespan of IPv4 by reducing the need for unique public IP address. Historical context. It was introduced to address the storage of IPv4 addresses, which drove the need for a solution to conserve the available IP address space. Types of NAT. There have three types: static NAT, dynamic NAT, and PAT, that is mainly port address translation. Static NAT maps one private IP address to one public IP address, often used for hosting servers within a private network. Dynamic NAT maps multiple private IPs to a pool of public IPs, with public IPs dynamically assessed as needed. Port address translation maps multiple private IPs to a single public IP using different ports, commonly used in home and small office network. How network and NAT works. It works in three steps. Step 1, private device and pockets to the NAT enable router. Step 2, the router replaces the private IP address in the packet header with a public IP address. In Step 3, replaces are translated back to the original private IP address before being sent to the private device. Benefits of NAT. It allows multiple devices to share a single public IP, addressing the storage of available IPv4 addresses. NAT hides network IP addresses from external network, reducing direct attack vectors and improving network security. Simplified network management. In this section, private network can use the same internet IP range without conflict, as NAT handles the translation to public IPs. There have some limitations and challenges. Latency and performance. In this sector, the translation process adds overhead, which can impact the overall performance and latency of network communications. Breaks end-to-end connectivity. In this part, NAT affects applications that require direct IP communication, such as VoL IP and part-to-part applications. Not a long-term solution. The adopting of IPv6 with its vastly large address space aims to ultimately eliminate the need for NAT. The use cases of NAT. It uses for many places like home network, corporate environment, NAT64, etc. In this field, home network, NAT allows a single internet connection to be shared by multiple devices within a home network. In this corporate sector, NAT provides secure and scalable communication between internal network and the internet in corrupted setting. In this lastly, NAT64. NAT64 facilitates communication between IPv6 only devices and IPv4 resources, enabling a smooth translation to IPv6. Thank you for watching. If you find this video useful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. For more Teach content, leave your question in the comment section below, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you.